Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to compare CodeGeex and Microsoft Copilot. CodeGeex and GitHub Copilot are both AI-powered code assistants, but they cater to different needs and user preferences. CodeGeex is an open-source AI coding assistant that supports 23 programming languages. It integrates with popular IDEs like VS Code and JetBrains, making coding faster and easier. The tool offers features like code completion, translation, and explanations for better development support. Being open source, it allows developers to customize and extend its capabilities according to their needs. Microsoft Copilot is a widely used AI coding assistant developed by GitHub and Microsoft. It provides real-time code suggestions, documentations generation, and code translation to boost productivity. The tool integrates seamlessly with IDEs like VS Code, JetBrains, and NeoVim. Copilot works on a subscription model that relies on a cloud processing for its AI features. Overall, CodeGeex is best for open-source flexibility and multilingual support, while Microsoft Copilot is better for seamless IDE integration and professional reliability. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you guys found value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.